Kerala. Imagine drifting through a network of emerald green backwaters on a traditional houseboat, the sound of water gently lapping against the wooden hull. Welcome to Kerala, God's own country. This place is pure bliss, where nature and culture blend seamlessly to create a paradise for travelers. First stop, Alleppey's backwaters. Hop onto a houseboat and glide through endless palm-fringed canals, past tiny villages where kids wave at you from the banks. It's slow, peaceful, and something you'll never forget. But Kerala isn't just about backwaters. Head to Munnar, a hill station wrapped in mist, where tea plantations stretch as far as the eye can see. The air here smells of fresh tea leaves, and a visit to a tea factory will show you the magic behind your morning cup. For a bit of adventure, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is the place to be. Spot wild elephants, go on a jungle trek, or take a boat ride through the lush forests. And then there's the beachside magic, Kovalam and Varkala. Think golden sands, dramatic cliffs, and waves perfect for surfing. And let's talk food. Kerala's cuisine is a dream. From spicy fish curry to crispy appams with stew, every bite is an explosion of flavors. Whether you're sipping on fresh coconut water or indulging in a traditional sadhya meal served on a banana leaf, Kerala is a feast for both the stomach and the soul.